Ready to ditch the beer seat and jump into the driver's seat as a Fiverr seller? Let's turn that expertise into earnings right now. Open your Fiverr app. You'll usually land on the beer's marketplace, browsing all sorts of services. Look for your profile icon. It's usually in the bottom right corner on iOS devices or top left on Android. Tap it to access your profile. Scroll down your profile page until you see an option that says Become a Seller or Selling Mode. This wording can vary slightly depending on your app version. Tap on Become a Seller. You'll be guided through a quick onboarding process. First, fill out your personal information. This includes your name, a professional profile picture, and a detailed description of your skills and experience. Now, it's time to create your first gig. Think about what you're really good at. Choose a service you can provide with confidence and that is in demand. Craft an engaging title for your gig. Select the right category, write a compelling description, and set your pricing. Don't forget to include packages to offer different levels of service. Double-check everything before you publish your gig. Make sure your description is clear, your pricing is accurate, and your images or videos are high quality. Congratulations, you are officially a Fiverr seller. Now, keep an eye on your dashboard, respond to beer inquiries promptly, and deliver exceptional work to build your reputation. Good luck.